Wait. Alright, put them in one at a time. Nope, nope, one at a time.
Are you serious?
So one more.
Willow, Daddy's just playing.
One at a time.
Throw it all in, honey. Daddy's just playing.
Alright, mix them up.
That's my chance to read it.
Oh, rainbow cake. Oh, this is going to be so good. Going to make the cake look colorful. Faster, faster.
Hold on, wait a minute. Mom.
Keep stirring.
Dad, I just look at my... Dad, you can't go higher.
Off the counter.
Off the counter, please.
That's my knee.
Great. I know it's coming out dark. Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's pour it into the bowl. So ready?
We have a 2 cake.
Huh?
How do you know how much goes in each
Just
one?
estimate.
You can pour it in and I'll spread it out.
You need a big spatula. That will help.
Alright, not all of it, not all of it. Good, good, good. Alright, help me on this one. Help me on this one. Easy, easy. Just gotta get it to fall in. Crazy?
No.
Ooh. Good job, Dad.
Can I see?
Yeah, look, there's Daddy. Getting the rest of the cake mixed out.
Yep.
She's spreading them out. She knows what she's doing, huh, baby? You show Daddy.
Gotta spread it out first. That. Go like this. See, that's how you spread, right, Mommy?
Right.
Dad! No!
Daddy, don't do it wrong.
This is how you spread.
Oh, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.